The My Brest Friend Horizon nursing pillow wraps securely around your waist, creating a stable, flat platform that keeps your baby from rolling and makes latching much easier. Its inflatable design means it packs nearly flat and weighs very little, so it is genuinely practical for airplane travel, visits, and overnights away from home. The built-in backrest supports your lower back and encourages upright posture, which noticeably reduces neck, shoulder, and wrist strain during long feeding sessions. Unlike many crescent-shaped cushions that sag or tip, this pillow stays firm and level, so your baby remains at a consistent height, and you are not constantly readjusting. The included slipcover feels soft against the skin and can be removed for cleaning, which is a relief when you are dealing with frequent spit-up or milk drips. Overall, it is a thoughtfully designed travel nursing pillow that helps new parents feel more comfortable, better supported, and more confident during feeding time.